This is the Rhythm Trainer. This app is good for beginners learning to listen to music, read music by ear. Um, using this app, you start off in the mode and you choose what mode you want. You can choose the tempo, slow or fast, and also what notes to use. Um, I'm not a musician anymore. I used to be, so I'm not too good at my notes anymore. But I'm gonna start with the most basic two notes, and it's gonna play sounds, and I have to figure out which one comes first. So, for example, and this one be the first three, and then this one, and then check your answer, and then if you get it right, give you a 101 and a smiley face. But if you were to get it wrong, let's say, just to get it wrong, it'll give you this, and it'll show you yours, what you thought it was, and it'll show you one that was correct, and you can do it again. And so this app is very useful. It can definitely help students learn the music notes, and I recommend this app.